Welcome to Mystical Platter with me, Rehnaz. Here I am with a traditional recipe originated from Yemen. It's cooked using rice, meat, and a mix of spices. Yes, you guessed it right, it's Mandi. It's usually made in a tandoor, which is a special oven made by digging a pit underground, covering it with clay around its sides. For those who don't have this, I'll show you how to make it in your kitchen in just 3 steps. So yalla, let's get started. So before we start with the marination, we need to keep few things ready. So first of all, soak 6 strands of saffron in half cup of water. Soak 1 kg of rice for 15 minutes and slice 4 onions very finely and fry till golden brown. I have forgotten to show you after frying. You can see it later in the video. So first we need to make the Arabic spice mix. For that we need to grind 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 4 small sticks of cinnamon, 10 cloves and 10 cardamoms. Grind all this into a fine powder. Use half for marination and keep the remaining for the rice. To this add ginger garlic paste, lime juice or vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, or you can use sunflower oil also, half of the saffron water, the rest you will keep for the rice. Now mix all this well and check for the salt. If required, you can add more to it. Here I have taken 1 full chicken which is cut into 4 parts. Make slits on the thighs and the breast of the chicken so that the masala is absorbed well. Marinate the chicken well and leave it for minimum of 2 hours or more. Add little water to the steamer. Here I am using an idli steamer. You can use any steamer with holes. Place in the chicken on the idli tray and cook for like around 15 minutes. Close the lid and cook on medium flame. After 15 minutes, open the lid to check if the chicken is cooked. Here it is all cooked now. Remove the chicken onto a plate and keep it aside. Here we have the chicken stock which we will use for cooking the rice. Now we need to fry the chicken in little oil just to enhance the flavor of the chicken. Fry both the sides and keep it aside. Now for cooking rice, we'll take a thick bottom pot, add 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, add 2 chopped onions and saute it till it turns golden brown. To this add 3 split green chilies and saute it well. Add the remaining spice mix which you had used during marination. Let it cook for some time. Add the chicken stock. For 10 glass of water, I used 4 glass of chicken stock and 6 glass of normal water. Add the remaining saffron water, 1 grated carrot. Add 2 tablespoons of salt here. Mix all this well and let the water boil. Once the water has boiled, you can check for the salt. If it's less, you can add more. Add the soaked rice to it. Make sure you use a good quality basmati rice in which the grains are extra long. Here I have used India Gate basmati rice. Stir well and close the lid and cook it for around 5 to 7 minutes on high flame. Once the rice is almost cooked, add few fried onions and 3 tablespoons of oil which was used for frying chicken. The rice is well cooked now. To get the smoky Mandi flavor, place the chicken and a small bowl onto the rice. Heat a piece of coal and place it in the bowl. Add few drops of oil and when it fumes, close the lid immediately and cover it with a cloth so that the fumes remain intact and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can open it, remove the bowl from the rice. Our mandi is all ready to be served. Remove the chicken onto a plate. Wow, the chicken looks perfect. It's perfectly cooked. Friends, I'm sure you will fall in love with the aroma and the fine texture of the rice. Now let's place the rice onto the serving dish and garnish it the traditional way. Let's place the chicken on top of the rice. Place few onions, fried onions, chopped coriander leaves and some fried cashew nuts. Here it is, our delicious chicken mandi is ready. The smoky flavor of the rice and chicken and the Arabic spice mix gives it that traditional mandi taste. Friends, you need to really try this recipe. It takes a little time, but trust me, it's worth the effort you put in. Hope you liked my video. Do try this recipe and leave your feedback on the comment box below.
Wow!
Please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification from Mystical Platter. Thanks for watching.